In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo animation in Renderforest. We'll start right from the home page and end with your logo placed and ready inside your project. First, open your browser and go to renderforest.com. Log into your account the way you normally do. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page. On the left panel, find the section labeled Projects and click it. This takes you to your project dashboard where you can see all the videos and designs you've been working on. Open the project you want to edit so the scene editor loads on your screen. Inside the scene editor, look for the plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new content. Click the plus icon, then choose Logo Animation from the options that appear, and confirm by selecting Add to Video. Renderforest will insert a dedicated logo animation scene into your timeline and switch you into the editing view for that scene. Now it's time to add your media. You have a few choices here. You can upload your own logo file, generate something with AI image, or create a new graphic from scratch. If you already have a polished logo, uploading is the quickest route. Click Upload, navigate to the logo file on your computer, select it, and click Open. Give it a moment to process. For best results, use a high-resolution image, ideally a PNG with a transparent background so the animation looks clean and professional. If the platform displays any size or format warnings, pick the closest recommended format and try again. Once your logo appears in the preview, adjust its size and position if those options are available in your chosen template. Use the on-screen handles or sliders to frame the logo so it's clear, centered, and not cut off by safe margins. Keep an eye on the aspect ratio so your logo doesn't look stretched. A small-scale reduction often improves sharpness on animated scenes. When you're happy with the placement, click Apply. This confirms your changes and updates the scene in your timeline. Take a quick look at the preview to make sure everything animates smoothly. If something feels off, you can always return to the scene, tweak the scale or position, and click Apply again. That's it, your logo animation is now part of your project and ready for further editing or previewing.